the spread, the noise between some of the polls is absolutely massive, but we can bring you up one of the Bloomberg charts that shows you the momentum, the declining momentum of the Prime Minister and the climbing momentum of the opposition leader Jeremy Corbyn. That spread is still wide, but it's narrowed. Have we seen a repricing in any asset class to reflect what's happened?
It's currency that's taken all the lifting here. Gilts today, however, have started to react. It's a big move. When I left the office, we were down 5, almost 6 basis points through that 1% level. And up until today, we've really not seen a lot of movement at that gilt level, and it's all been through the currency. So maybe we are just starting to see the first signs of people worrying about how this pans out on Thursday.
We've got a big bid in treasuries as well. So I imagine there's a big bid across the board for core government bonds. But for gilts, there's a real debate in there that I want to get into with you. Yields higher or lower on a Labour win or a hung parliament? Which way?
I think the worst outcome is a hung parliament. I don't think that potentially gives Labour the government, in which case you could see quite a stable gilt level. We'll be looking at how the Fixed Term Parliament Act works, and you need 468 MPs to throw the government out.
Yeah.
So can you govern with 310 or 320? Those kind of questions are going to come into the fore. If we start seeing Labour forming a coalition with a lot of people involved, I think our concerns around Brexit and how that gets negotiation will be to the fore for gilts and the pound, and I think it will see gilts sell off.
Luke, let's talk about how you want to have yourself set up in sterling-denominated assets going into Thursday, going into Friday. I keep bringing this up with you. The day after Brexit, it was Governor Carney wants my gilts and he can't have them. Can he have them going into Thursday?
I've already sold them to him.
You've sold them?
Yeah, he's got them already.
You're completely de-risked?
I'm lower duration than we have been for some while.
Yeah.
We're slightly short going into Thursday as well, and that kind of reflects risks probably more around the more medium, longer-term economic picture in the UK and inflation than it does this week. I think if I had to put on trades for this week, I'd be being more and more concerned about the narrowing of those polls, the risk to the UK finances that we could find post an election that sees a Labour coalition.